What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the best 50 tips and tricks for your new Samsung Galaxy A03s. We have researched and tested many tips and tricks for this phone, and in this video we have reviewed the best ones just for you. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we're going to have the customization of the font size and style. So one of the good things about any Samsung device is the level of customization that you have for any part of your device. So first I want to talk to you about the font size and style. You can change it to bigger, maybe make it smaller, or even change the font style. To do this, all you have to do is go to your settings, and once you're here, you're going to go all the way to display, and right here you're going to see font size and style. You're going to have all the different options for sizes and also the styles. Next up, we're going to have customized call backgrounds, and you can also change the call background even when you use an animated video. To do this, just open your dialer and tap on the three-dot menu. Then you're going to go to Settings, Call Background, and select Background. Then we're going to have the customization of the clock style, and the clock on the lock screen can be easily customized to your own preference, and to do it, just go to your settings, then lock screen, and select clock style. Right here you're going to see about 5 options and different color themes to customize it. Then we're going to have the lock screen widgets, and if having them in your home screen wasn't enough, you can now have them in the lock screen. To enable widgets, just head over to your settings, and then you're going to go to lock screen. Right here you're going to go to widgets. Then you're going to select a widget of your choice, and after that you're going to enable the toggle next to show on the display. We're also going to have the one-handed mode, and the Galaxy gives you one-handed mode. To enable it, navigate to advanced features inside settings and toggle the switch next to the one-handed mode. You can now set the trigger for this depending on the navigation bar style that you use. Then we're going to have the customization of photo formats, and if you want to save space on your device, it makes only sense to save the photos in the HEIF formats and videos in the HEVC format. These file formats allow your phone to capture photos and videos that are considerably smaller than conventional JPG photos. To make this change, head over to your camera settings, and you're going to see the option to convert everything to the high efficiency video file or image file. You can also customize the ratio of your photos by heading over to the camera app and tapping on the ratio icon. You're going to tap your preferred ratio and you're going to be all set. You can also customize the shutter button, and whenever you slide the shutter button on the camera, you will have an action being performed when you do it. If you want to customize it, just head to the camera settings and select swipe shutter button. And if you want to use the zoom in or out, all you have to do is head to the camera and select photo. Then you're going to slide the leaves all the way to the left, and you'll be able to select your preferred zoom option if you either want to zoom out or zoom in. Then we're going to have the burst mode, and to do this, just press the shutter button and slide down. Then we're going to have quick record, and to do this, just hold the shutter button, and then you can see that the phone is going to start doing the recording on its own. Then we're going to have take pictures from videos. So the way to do this, you just have to start filming a video, and then once you're recording the video, you're going to see the camera on the right side right here that I'm pointing at. Just click on it and you're going to be all set. Then we're going to have how to remap the volume keys. Now to do this, just go to settings and then head to accessibility. Then you're going to go to advanced and select side and volume up, and right here you're going to see the options that you can do and the customizations that you can do for the volume keys. And if you want to customize the side key, all you're going to have to do is head over to your settings and then go to advanced features. And right here you're going to see that it says side key, so we're just going to press on it and we're going to see all the options that we have. Then we're going to have how to hide apps, And to do this, all you have to do is long press on an empty space on your home screen, and then you're going to go to the home screen settings. Right here, you're going to go down until you see the option of hide apps. Now we're going to have double tap to wake, and to do this, basically, you just have to go to your settings and select advanced features. Once you're there, you're going to go to motions and gestures, and you're going to select double tap. Now we're going to have quickly accessibility widget options, and basically just click on an app and long press on it. And then if you see the widget option, that means that your app has a quick accessibility for a widget option. You can also see the zoom with volume controls, and to do this, just go to your camera settings and then select shooting method. Once you do this, you're going to go to press volume keys 2, and you're going to select zoom in, or you can just leave it the way it is. You can also do the temporary mute, and to do this, just go to your quick settings by double swiping down from the top of your screen, and see right here the icon of the speaker, just tap on it and you can do vibration or just mute. And then on place number 20, we're going to have switch between two most recent apps, and to do this, just double tap the three bars right here at the bottom. And if you want to do the pin windows, you're going to have to activate it first, and you can do this by going to your settings, and then you're going to go to biometrics and security. You're going to go to other security settings and select pin windows. Then what this is going to do, it's basically whenever you go to the multitask switcher, you can select on the app icon right here, and you can see pin windows, which basically will lock the window on your phone and keep it there even if you press any other buttons. And if you wish to add a password on pin windows, you can do that by going to the pin windows option menu and ask for a pattern or maybe a code. Right here in biometrics and security settings, we're also going to have the password options. And this is in order to protect your phone. You're going to have a lot of options like facial recognition or fingerprints or maybe just a pattern. So you can select everything on biometrics and security. Then you can also do multiple fingerprints, and right here you can see that we can add more than one, and I totally recommend you to do so because you don't know which one will be easier to use when unlocking your device. Now we're going to do 3 tricks in one, which is basically going to be the whole customization of the home screen. So to do this, just long press on an empty space on the home screen like we did before and go to your settings once again. Right here you can see 3 options, one being the home screen layout, the other one the home screen grid, and then the other the app screen grid. So you can customize any of these 3 options to make your phone more like yourself. You can also put a name on your device, and to do this, just go to your settings and scroll down all the way to about phone. Then right here you're going to go on name, and then you're going to put the name that you want. And if you want to lift to wake your device, all you have to do is go to your settings and head to advanced features. Right there you're going to go to motions and gestures, and then you're going to select lift to wake. Then we're going to have how to add contact information to your lock screen, and this is going to be very simple. All you're going to have to do is go to your settings on your device, and then you're going to go to lock screen. Once you're here, you're going to see the option that says add contact information, and you can type anything that you wish to show on your home screen, either your phone number in case your phone gets lost or something else. You can also activate the flash notifications, and to do this, all you have to do is go to your settings and then accessibility. Then once you're there, you're going to go to advanced features and select flash notifications. You could also do the brief pop-up notifications, and to do this, just go to your settings once again, but this time around you're going to go to notifications, and right here you're going to see the panel of brief pop-up notifications. You can also activate the edge panels right here in the display menu by just activating this toggle right here, and if you want to customize it, just click on it and you're going to have a bunch of options to play with. And if you want to optimize your battery for better phone performance, all you have to do is go to your settings and scroll down to device care. Right here, once you're there, you're going to go to optimize battery, and that's going to be all you're going to have to do besides waiting for the process to complete. And you can also check the visibility enhancements by just going to your settings and then going to accessibility. Here we will see visibility enhancement, and this will let you play with the contrast and fonts of the phone and also the buttons as well. If you need to activate TalkBack, you can do it through your settings by going to accessibility, and then right here you're going to activate TalkBack, and that's going to be very simple. If you want to deactivate it, you can always follow the same path. And now how to rotate to landscape mode. To do this, once again, you're going to go to your settings and then you're going to head to your home screen. Right here, you're going to select rotate to landscape mode, and that's going to be all you're going to have to do. If you want to use the split screen, you can always go to the multitask menu by tapping right here on the three bars at the bottom, and you're going to see the app icon. Just tap on it and you're going to go to split screen. Then it's going to let you choose between the other app, and that's all you're going to have to do. We also have bright swipe, and when you go to the quick settings by swiping once, you won't see the brightness slider bar, but when you swipe twice, you will see it. Now, if you want to customize this by having the bar right here on the first time you swipe down, just swipe and head to the three dots right here on the top and then select quick panel layout. Right here, you're going to go to brightness control and select always, and that way it's going to show whenever you swipe down just once. Then we're going to have the 4 volume values, and when you turn the volume down, you will see this bar right here, and you can also tell that it has 3 dots on the top. If you tap on them, you will see all the 4 categories of volumes that you can customize separately. Now we're going to have the dark mode, and the dark mode is really important since it can save your battery life, and it's a fresh look for your phone if you're used to seeing all that white all the time. And to activate it, just head to your settings and then go on display and select dark. Now I'm going to show you how to block any phone number, and if you want to block or blacklist any phone number, you just have to open up the phone dialer app and then tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're there, you're going to tap settings to open it and then tap on block numbers. Right there, you're going to add the phone number and enter the phone number that you wish to block, and then tap on the plus symbol, and that will be pretty much it. If you want to change the language of your device because either it came on a different language than your native, or maybe you're practicing a new one and you want your phone to be in that language, all you have to do is go to your settings app and then go all the way down to general management. Once you're there, you're going to tap on language, and then you're going to tap on add language and select the language that you prefer. Now tap on set as default button, and that would be pretty much it. Now this is going to be 2-in-1. If you want to find the IP address on your Samsung device, just go to the settings app and then select about device. Then you're going to go on status to find IP address, and there it's going to be the number that you're looking for. And if you want to find the IMEI number, it's going to be the same thing on the about device menu, as you can tell right now. Also, if you want to perform a soft reset because your phone is either stuck or frozen, all you have to do is press power and volume down buttons and then tap on power off and then confirm. After that, just wait a few seconds and then switch on the device by pushing the power key for a couple of seconds. Then we're going to have the eye saver mode, and if you're spending a lot of time in front of the screen, then you should consider turning on the eye saver mode on your Samsung Galaxy. This mode will reduce the emission of the blue light from your screen and reduce the strain on your eyes. For this, just head to your settings and then select display. Right there, you're going to head to the blue light filter, and that's going to be it. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, all you have to do is press volume down and power button for a few seconds and your screenshot will be taken. Then we're going to have screen recording, and to do this you want to first swipe down to open up the quick panel, so let's do this twice, and then click on the 3 dots and pick edit buttons. Otherwise, you can swipe left and press on the plus icon and find the screen recorder on the available buttons, and then hold the screen recorder and drop it down to the quick panel, and you're going to be done. Then lastly, if you want to change the wallpaper, all you have to do is head to your settings and then go to wallpapers. Then you're going to pick lock screen, home screen, or both, and that would be it. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.